What's up, flawless beauties? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be showcasing Dream Flower lashes. This lash company is on Instagram and they also have a website, which I will link below in my description box. But yeah, Dream Flower Lashes sent over some volume lashes. They also sent me their glue as well as their super bonder and volume tweezers. They sent me the 0.03D mix as well as their CC curl mix, which I'm so excited to try out. I've never actually used CC curl, so it's a different type of natural curl for lash extensions. Now this is their bomb glue, okay, and it actually was pretty bomb, no pun intended. Anyway, and these are their volume tweezers. I really like that they had the grip on them, and yeah, this is a super bonder that you can use to seal eyelash extensions. So in this video, I'm just going to showcase the CC curl. I'm using the 15 millimeters. So the CC is the curl type. 15 millimeters is the length or how long they are, and they're 0.03 in diameter, which means that's how thick they are. And right now I'm just kind of showing the girls how to do a volume fan using the Dream Flower Lashes tweezers as well as their CC curl lashes. So I just want you guys to know that I really actually love the curl. I love the volume on these lashes, and I was able to create a fan pretty quickly. So yeah, if you're interested in ordering some products, make sure you check out Dream Flower Lashes. I do have a discount code, which is DD10. It is DIDI10. So yeah, if you would like to shop with Dream Flower Lashes, make sure you click the link in my description box. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys and happy lashing. Bye.